say that Champion Plumbing is great. I highly recommend them. They have a lot of integrity, great service.
Everything turns out great. Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you, Marty. Thanks.
Did a very professional job here at my home in Northridge, and I'm very pleased, and I thought it's extremely reasonable. I wasn't overcharged, and I was impressed to be charged for anything more than what I contracted, and I appreciate it very much.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
And he did a marvelous job. Clean, efficient, and he's good. I would recommend him anytime.
That's beautiful.
Very professional.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Lean, you're on the air.
Champion Plumbing came to me in an emergency on a Sunday. No questions asked. They were fantastic. Did the work quickly. Did the work well. Had a cup of coffee waiting for them every morning. They were a pleasure to work with. I would definitely call them again.
Give us a call.